So the propeller install is quite simple. I don't know if you can see that, but it has little lines right here. So those lines are going to correspond with the line on the actual arm itself. And it's basically you're just going to push in and twist. Comes off like that. So you're gonna push in and twist, and it's as simple as that. And keep in mind, you get 2 extra propellers in case something happens. This is a really nice drone for the price. I don't think there's anything out there right now that compares to this. The DJI Mavic Mini, of course, is a great drone. In size comparison, if you're looking for a bigger drone that can handle the wind better, this is definitely the way to go, unless you want to go with a Mavic Air 2 that is about $500 more with a Fly More combo kit. So it's really just about what you want in the sense of do you want it to be able to handle in the wind and fly in any conditions, really. This thing will handle almost any conditions. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and that's the propeller install.